русского стримить на английском.
Moon Knight's Ankh, I presume? Friends, gather around! One less Ankh, one less problem.
I was AFK all this game.
Don't let anything against the world.
You AFK the game.
I have a shield.
Not like this time.
That's not polite.
Maybe it's the best tactic?
The FK?
Stay AFK on the car as a Hulk. They shoot me, I receive a damage, but I heal from a car.
No, they just making too little damage. Okay.
They started to make a lot of damage. They absolutely destroyed me in my ultimate. Ah, it was Punisher of this. Sometimes I think my ultimate is too powerful.
Through the green door again.
It's never powerful or what?
It's not so powerful as I think. But you need only 2 or 3 claps to kill anybody. Yeah, mission impossible to be Penny Parker and not die in your ultimate. First time I see so good Spiral Girl. Of course in enemy team.
The current score is
Master 1k damage.
0.
But I played
Why you
well.
so bad? We almost lose it because of you.
I played well. It was a nice
Science
tactic.
solves problems.
The right heroes could make all the
Actually,
difference.
it's okay. Even I have only 6k damage.